Hello and welcome to another update video about Avax. Avax is still holding our support area. However, the price broke briefly below the 20th of December low. See, some coins did that, some coins didn't. On some charts, therefore, we can call that move up here a 1-2 setup. Until yesterday, that was one of the alternatives here I considered for Avax as well. But again, what is more important than the microstructures? Right, the levels. And the levels are still holding. So a marginally lower low below the 20th of December low isn't necessarily a big problem. I can see the decline as a WXY structure, and we saw here an A, B, C in wave Y. This is from an Elliott wave point of view, it's just a common pattern, right? A WXY. It is less common than, for example, a normal ABC. But in this case, we are just dealing with a more complex structure. So WXY, and the Y wave is an ABC in itself. And the C wave even has clear 5 waves. That last bit here, that consolidation period between Thursday the 9th and Sunday the 12th, was a sideways consolidation period with one more low. That happened, yeah? So at the moment, the idea is we are actually probably reversing. I mean, potentially, right? It's too early to say, but I'm here to tell you what we now need to see next. I mean, the support area was certainly successful so far. I mean, we had, a reaction here, and now another reaction. So that is, I think, without any doubt, at the moment at least, I mean, I can't guarantee that support holds, right? Nobody can, but it is, without any doubt, it is the stable element on the chart. And it's probably the most important element on the chart. Here, this area between $35.28 and $31.69. It's without a doubt the most important element on the chart. If it's going to hold, I mean, yeah, nobody knows. But it's all about probability. So if this is the correct assumption, support should hold. That this is a wave 4, right? And we are starting a wave 5 to the upside. And yeah, I mean, this support area, I put that on the chart when the price topped up here early December. So it's been on the chart for more than a month. Price has come down to test it. Support is holding. And yeah, and overall, what we now need to see to suggest that a low has formed, well, we need to see, if we zoom in a bit. So what do we need to see to confirm a low in place? Well, I need to see a 5-wave move up. I could call that a 5-wave move, not clearly, but you know, microstructures are sometimes a bit messy. So yeah, maybe a 5-wave move. It might form a small, tiny ending diagonal up here. So it could be wave 1. I've already added to the chart this support area. I communicated that earlier today to our Discord community. And here it's between 33.65 and 35.20, this support area. And it could come down for a higher low, this wave 2. And then a third wave rally to the upside should be next. Then a 4 and a 5. Ultimately, what is important, and 2 things I think are important, right? First of all, a break above the green line, which is at around 37.60, because that's the swing high of the last wave. Okay, if I'm labeling that to the downside, then this here was for me a 1, 2, 3. Wave 4 is a triangle. Wave 5 to the downside. So we just want to have a break above the swing high of that 4th wave, like where it ended, right? That was not necessarily the highest point, even though that's relevant as well, but it's from an Elliott wave point of view, the end of the triangle, which we can label as A, B, C, D, E. Okay, as the end of the triangle, and then it came down. So that's what we want to see in this 5th wave. And yeah, we're now doing a bit of a reversal here at the moment, and this would be ideally a 5-wave pattern to the upside, and I just need the price to hold whatever we're doing now, it needs to hold 33.65. I mean, that level might shift a little higher if the price goes higher, but ultimately a break above that green line and forming a higher low in the next pullback. Do we break above it before we come down? I don't know, but both are important essentially, right? Forming that higher low and breaking above that green line. It's, probabilities are dynamic, and it's about building those probabilities that we're reversing step by step with every condition that's being fulfilled. So that's what I really want to see. Next, it is just that higher low that we need to see. For now, the price is just chopping around below the green line, and we haven't even had a higher low. So yeah, it's a bit speculative at this stage, but that is essentially what I need to see. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.